Hello, my name is Laura Pruitt, and I'm a PTA ATC at Gateway Rehabilitation Hospital in Northern Kentucky. And I'm here today to give you a little information about our warm water therapy program. We have a warm water therapy pool that we keep at 97 degrees, and this pool is on site, and we have a private facility where you can get one-on-one exercise for whatever you come here for. We provide exercise that offers hydrostatic pressure through your whole entire body while you're in the water, and that increases your muscle strength as well as your conditioning while you're doing your exercise. We have the only on-site warm water pool in our region. We also provide certified and licensed athletic trainers as well as physical therapists that provide a one-on-one program just for you and what you came here for. We have private changing rooms and private showers, as well as a lift chair and a safety ladder that will help you get in and out of the pool without any concerns. So what type of people can benefit from this program? We have several people that we can help. We want to encourage people with arthritis and or people who have osteoarthritis to come and experience water therapy. We also would like to encourage people who have had joint replacements and are still stiff and sore from those joint replacements. We like to work with people that have spinal cord injuries in the water since it is not weighted. We also like to work with people who have had balance disorders and people who are overweight who need to exercise or have a rehabilitation program. However, they have concerns with weight-bearing exercise. We have people that we work with who need to improve their cardiovascular endurance, as well as people who have fibromyalgia who need to exercise, but weight-bearing exercise tends to cause their fibromyalgia to get worse. And we have people with low back pain who can work out in the water and decrease their symptoms and increase their strength. If you have any questions, please just give us a call, and we would love to give you a tour of our facility.